Best dashboard. Our pick Nextbase 522 GW best resolution of the camera dashboard 1440p-Camethe. Produces the clearest video we've seen. The 522 GW is also very easy to use. And it is one of the rare cameras that can invoke emergency help after crash. Buying options $260. From Best Buy, Nextbase 522 GW dash cam produces a 1440p super strong or Quad HD video image. In our tests allowed us to clearly see the details that were indecipherable with most other dashboard cams using the brilliant 522 GW touch screen with the menus and adjust the navigate settings is much easier than juggling with the other models. With its fed magnetic stand, the device is easy to break on and off without having to play with a cord. The competing Nextbase phone app surpasses and more of the GPS, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. The 522 GW gives you a polarizing filter to reduce annoying reflections. The camera can integrate with Amazon Alexa digital assistant, and a new source emergency help automatically featured after an accident. The 522 GW can also couple with 3 different back cams, giving you more versatility. Yes, it is more expensive than many competing models, but it offers the best dashboard experience of a template that we have tested. Advertisement runner Open Nextbase 422 GW dash comma smaller version of our top pick. The 422 GW is similar to the 522 GW of video quality, but is a little smaller and most often cheaper. It does not come with a polarization filter, but you can add a buying opti. Our first product is dashboard. Our second product is dashboard. Our third product is dashboard. Our fourth product is unique design. The cute ducks are equipped with funny helmet, necklace, a special and unique duck to decorate our car. 100% satisfaction. If you are dissatisfied with your purchase, don't hesitate to contact us for a replacement or refund. It is our top priority to make sure our customers are satisfied with our products, process, and service. Fun toys. These rubber ducks will squeak when you squeeze them, which can be used as car decorations and add fun during driving. Easy to install. Put the gold chain on the duck. Install the propeller on the helmet. Put the helmet on the duck's head and then fix the glasses to the duck with double-sided gummy material. Our fifth product is dashboard. Before choosing which dashboard cams to be tested, we spent hours looking for the specifications and features of about 250 models. And we have read TechRadar criticism, Digital Trends, Black Box My Car, T3, Autoblog and PC Mag. A lot of between them were thin on practical experience. We have verified the owner and notes. Conduct laws looked at and insurance complaints, and ours looked at dash footage. Most cam people's dashboard work in a similar way. They record a recording in microSD card loop and use so that the oldest video is crushed by the newest. They have integrated G sensors or accelerometers, which detect an impact, and if an accident occurs, the device automatically records images done to be overwritten. As a general rule, you can also manually save images by pressing a button or give a voice command. You can review the videos on the device screen, on a smartphone application, or on a device that can play a micro SD card. Dash cams can also save audio, if you want, and most templates allow you to capture another price of the photo. A model is not an infallible gauge of its quality, but we found that the cams the cheapest dash, usually less than $100, can compete with higher prices in this regard. We are reluctant to recommend the cheapest recommends because we believe they could drop you down when you really need a high-quality video recording. Even if we also consider the odds of a model, we found that they are not something you can count on. A large number of dashboard cameras that have high notes on Amazon, for example, get low educational outcomes such as a D or F on FakeSpot. This does not reflect the quality of the dashboard cam solely on the reliability of the those rating standards considerations aside. We also looked for models that have the most important features, the quality. If the video is a dashboard captured in the light or dark conditions must be strong and distinct, then you, a lawyer, your insurance company, or a member of the law can read the plates of registration and see other details clearly. We lean to test the latest high-resolution models with 1296p or higher resolution because they are often sharper than in particular the 1080p models. We do not consider buying a dashboard cam that has only 720p resolution controls. We have sought models with clearly labeled, easily accessible controls, especially the video log button. We also favorite models that had buttons we could identify in the dark, intuitive menus and functional companion application. Touchscreen models are usually the easiest to use. Mounting. We have sought mounts that held the camera for a security manner still easily, as well as easily remove. We found magnetic media to be the easiest to use. Supports that attach to the windshield with adhesive buffers are often more compact and very safe, but they can be difficult to remove for repositioning or permutation between vehicles. Suction supports work well for that. Many models give you a choice between mount types. Display. Most dashboard cams have a screen that is 1.5 to 3.5 inches diagonally. The screens that are at least 2 inches, it is easier for you to adjust the settings on fly images and preview. Models without display need a phone or computer to video view images and set up the camera usually. Not our preferences. Size. Smaller dashboard cams are more discreet, but the bigger ones can be easier to use because of their larger screens and buttons. We found that moderate-size dashboard cams offer a good scaled field of view. FOV. We preferred models with an FOV in the range of 140 to 160 degrees at sufficient scale to take a road multiple ways or a great intersection without creating a wide-angle effect that makes cars to look further and the details more difficult to see. This narrow 120 degrees FOV gives you a look closer to things right in front of your car, but missed things on the sides. Photo. Rick Paul. This FOV 160 degrees strikes a good balance between the details of the best dashboard. Price $2022.